Pal. Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube page. If you're just watching my video for the first time or you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. I really do love you. Thank you for your support last year. And this year we go harder. Yes. And for this video, don't be like Fikayo. Be like Vicky Bell. This is a video for when your tailor disappoints you, your order doesn't come, or when you don't receive the order, or when you don't receive your order for your dresses and you have an occasion. These are just fashion hacks you can use to use a scarf to make a DIY dress. And yes, I did not use any glue for these dresses. I didn't use any glue for these dresses. I didn't sew them. I just used pins and we got the dresses. They're not perfect, yeah, but there's just something you can use in times of emergency. Yes, I'm not sure how many yards this material is, but I got it from my mom. Yes, back in Nigeria. I can't believe it's been 2 years I left Nigeria. Anyway, I miss my parents so much. Japa. I got a corset. So this brand reached out to me on Instagram and I got a corset from them. I checked out their page and their corsets are really nice. I'm going to link it for you in the description box as well. I love the corsets. It's really nice. It snatched my waist. Can you see how it snatched my waist here? Yes. So I'm just going to be styling it. Yeah. So I styled it with, of course, you guys know the red of this. I really loved it. I had to buy the black. The black comes like a play suit actually, but I still got it, and that's how I styled this one as well. And I also decided, okay, let me style the corset with African print. As an African babe, as a Nigerian babe, yeah, let me just give it a twist. And for my UK girlies that miss their tailors back home and you have an occasion and you don't have what you wear, this video is also for you, because I know how difficult it is to sew here. I hardly sew here actually, so yeah. But so this video is for you. You can actually use this with your corset or twist it in the way with a belt or a corset to achieve the styles I showed in this video. Yes. Okay, I think I'm talking too much. Let's get into details. So I'm going to start with the skirt with the corset. Yes, I think I did the skirt a long time ago during COVID, this skirt. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So this is the skirt one. Yeah, so all you need for this one, you need to get a short, a really tight short. So I have a tight or a short or a denim short. You just need to get that. And you have this, you just have to keep putting the pleats inside your short. And this would have been better if the material was fuller. Yes. So if you have if it was 4 yards, it would be better than this. It should be fuller and, it would be really nice. But I didn't have 4 yards. So yeah, this would be better if it was fuller. Okay guys, so this is how it is. You just have to keep putting the pleat. So you see what I mean? If it was fuller, you would have more pleat. So I had to do this around my waist. You have to take this around your waist, the back, the front. Just keep doing this. And that's why you need a very tight short on your waist, because this puts it in place and it has to be long as well. If you have a sewing machine, it will be nice if you can hem the edges, the edges of the wrapper. Yes, anyway, yeah, so this is me taking it to the other side, and I'll also do the same thing here. I'm just going to make the pleats here as well. If you you can iron it to give you a more defined look, but as you can see, this other side is not as full as the first one I did, and that's because the material is not that long. So you see what I say, if it was a 4 yard, it would be easier and it would be fuller. Yeah, but this is how it is. I'm just going to use a pin to tack this together to form my slit, and here we finally have our skirt. Yes, So this is our style one, this is our skirt, and I'm just showing you how the pleats formed here. So this is how it is. This should be how it would be if you do this, if you follow my style. For the second style, you guys know how to turn your maxi skirt into mini skirt here. So you just tuck the edges, just like I did here, and you put it under your shirt as well, and it makes it short like this. Yeah. And for the third style, so all I did here was you tuck it in. So yeah, as you can see, and you bring it out from here as well and tie it around your neck. Yes, tie it around your neck, just as you can see here. And that's it. You take it round your waist. Yes, it's just like so this one is just like your tiny wrapper, yeah, but you just have to put like your style to it, like pleatings and all of that. So you still put in pleats and tuck it in your shorts. So you need your shorts, to be honest. And then I use like pins to just put it in place, so in case when you sit down and all of that, and it is perfect. Yeah, this one was quite difficult for me to like put together because I think I was having difficulty with the pleats and I didn't want too many pins on it as well, and with the edges. So if you have a sewing machine, you can actually sew the edges, or like iron the edges so the white stuff won't show you. Yeah. Okay, and for this last one, it's like a maxi pencil dress, and you just bring it up here, turn it at the back. Yeah, so at the back, you just get to tie it at the back, you knot it, and then you take the other parts also round your waist, like you're tying a wrapper. Yeah, so your corset will put it in place, but I also use pins to put it in place as well. So as you can see, I'm trying to like make it more fitted. Yeah, just use pins to like hook it and you will be fine. Yeah, so that's it. So I didn't really make it so tight so I could walk. Yeah, you know the way you tie wrapper now. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, yeah, this one took quite a lot. I don't know why I'm dancing there, but yeah, this is how this one came out. And I had to do like really good adjustments here because you have to take your time to adjust this one so I could be able to work. Yes, so don't be like the lady in the middle. Don't tie your scarf like that. You can always turn it into different dresses. Yes, so this is the final dress and this is how it came out. Yeah, so we've come to the end of the video and these are the 4 dresses I made. Let's just say 3 dresses and a skirt. So the skirt is the first one, the other dress, the mini skirt, and then the last one, which is the maxi dress. Yes, so don't let your tailor do you anyhow. You can do this to yourself. Yeah, that's why you have me, yeah. Let me know if you would wear these dresses or if they're just not your thing. Yeah, it might not be your thing actually, and that's fine. They're just emergency dresses. Yeah, let me know what you guys think and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also watch my video and share my video. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.